Yeah, now I am recording. So what first job? So what is your? I am when I asking like some people, what is your job type and job team? Some are gap having and some are IT and all things. So gap related we will discuss in offline, and non-IT can switch to any graduation. Any graduation is okay. That is then there is a requirement is that you need a strong determination and I need to move this I need to move switch to the IT. That's you need to put your in your mind. Then you can put in a some time. It will give a some stipulated time, so it will may take 3 months. It may some people may 5 months, some people may get 6 months, some people may get. So when I actually I last 7 8 years before I also switched from the switched from the non-IT to IT 7 8 years before. So it taken almost 6 months for me. That's my personal thing. So that's the way everybody having the some things will be there. So some people may grab immediately, some people may take time. So but we need to continue work on that thing to get the our goal. That's the thing. So Azure DevOps is not a big rocket science. That's the thing I will confirm. And so here, so while learning the DevOps means so career advancements and IT switching to the IT, and there is a high paid salary growth, increasing the very demand because it is a cloud computing. So we are working with the cloud compute. So that's why that's the one of the reason. And so here, how we can learn the DevOps means identifying the developers. So here, so we are a DevOps engineer, not a big programmer and not a developer. Maybe IT people or from the non-IT also some knowledge will be there. Everybody. So we are not a developer. Means developer means developer will write the code. Actually we will not write, we are not good writing to the like codes, big programming languages. May we will use script, some part of the logics, programming logics. So that is a like if condition, for loop, each loop type, something will be there like. So we are use the tools only, not use the programming language. That's the Azure DevOps fundamental. DevOps fundamental. So more about DevOps and what is the why, where it coming. So I will continue on the technical training. So what is the DevOps? So why we need to create these things. But we will understood that what is the DevOps usage. So why we are using the organization, wide organization, big MNC, top MNCs using DevOps. Why means so there is a one thing is there. There is a uh, improve the collaborations means in the team, so they are can work with very collaboratively. That's the thing across the IT teams. So accelerated the deploy cycles. So deploy cycle it is a technical, so you can't. So accelerated the deploy cycle means the work process will be accelerate means more speed it will increase. That's the thing. And more cost optimization means it will reduce the lot of cost and more time reducing. So that's the thing. And very security reasons and scalability means we can require high, then we can increase the like so if you having a small work, so you need one labor, you are having a lot much of work now to it may be 100 people, so you can increase immediately 100 people. So it will be give the that much of capability by the DevOps. That's the thing. So it is a system oriented approach also will be there. So that's maybe you not understood. So yeah, that it's time. That's the thing. So one more thing is there that so what you will learn about DevOps after completing this DevOps training, what will be achieved and what you will get the profits. That's I will type here. So there is a process will be explained one by one. So after that, this course, you will get what is this. You will be able to face interview. So I'll close this one. You will be able to face interview with your own assistants. Means you can guide yourself. So that's much of strength I will give. And you can face technical interview easily. How I will say. So easily and crack. So more than 80% success chances is there. Crack 80%, I will say, because 100% means, so it is a wide ocean of the that Azure DevOps. So some people, some things maybe you can't expect, so they will ask like that. So because there may be a different project, so you may you not work with that project, that's the thing. And so one more thing is that, so you can face in if you are got the opportunity, so then what is the thing, the next thing is that you need to face the interview manager. So you can manage, you can face manager as well as client interviews also very easily. How it will possible, I will explain. That's the thing next I will do. So and more thing that you can participate with your team confidentially, very dearly. So if you are getting from, you are from the non-IT background, then you are a fear. So to speak with your team and thing, so that fear will be removed from you. So you can discuss freely, and you get the correct information to work on your job. So that's very easy. That's the thing. So how you achieve? So how we will achieve these things? So we will achieve four things. So basic thing is that we will learn all aspect of subject related DevOps, Azure DevOps, not DevOps. So DevOps also having a AWS and all the things. So aspect of Azure DevOps. DevOps. So first subject delivery. Then is that we will learn four project actually. So we will learn four projects actually based on your performance. So here one project will be Java. So everybody, we will Java full life cycle project with real time. So and second one is that, so second one is that .NET project. Third one is the advanced project actually. That is a data science engineering project actually. It is with Python. So no need to learn Python for this project. So developer will create the code. So I will use that code. So I will show what is the pipelines. So data science project with Azure Databricks service. So you make a check after this demo with Google, and inquire with your any friend, IT friends is there. you can inquire data bricks. So it is very high demand paid tool actually, Azure data bricks. That is a data science engineering, so like machine learning, like that. So there is a, if you are very you are cracked and you are maybe you are a very smart on the project and you have a good skills, then I will explain for the selected people. So this is a selected people only. So this is a Java application with microservice project that is AKS, Azure Kubernetes Service. These four projects. So we can, you can say very confidently about this project. You will deliver your real time in your location, and we will learn first all aspect of subject means we will learn the all required Azure DevOps tools here, and after that we, so in the subject we will learn lot of things. So and that tools will be integrate means come connected to each other in the pipeline formation. So then your real time knowledge will come from here. So up to this is knowledge for this project only. So after that we will create Java, and after the .NET, after the data science project with Azure Databricks. So it is a Python actually. So after that, Java application with Microsoft microservice project, that is a AKS, Azure Kubernetes Services. So this is the tools. So already, so for these tools, I creating like a GitHub and a lot of things. So we'll come to this demo. Just give a briefly. So DevOps is a practice. So that is a culture. So why we are using? Just I said already, like security, vulnerability, cost optimization, lot of things. So these are things. So what? So Azure DevOps engineer can work with all type of projects. So what type of projects here? So you can work with Java, Java Spring Boot and things, .NET Core and Python, Anaconda, C++, Android, Picture, PHP. So here Android also there, Go, PHP, Ruby, Xamarin. So mobile applications, Terraform and all things. Bicep, infrastructure as a code. So lot of tools. This is the one of things like a software life cycle, we will say. So here come to the here. This is the thing. So normally IT. So you may understood, not understood, no issue. But this is happening. So for one application or anything creating, when application and business requirement, they will plan and they will create a code, and we will build the code with some tools will be there. We will address in the continuous class and we will test. So if you test only it fast, it will go for the release. Like you may find your application WhatsApp in a Google Play stores. So where is releasing? Releasing in the Google Play stores. So then they, you can deploy means you are installing your laptop, mobiles and all things. So we will monitor. So like that there is a process. I will explain the continuation in the classes one by one. So immediately understanding this like a technology, even technical people also is very difficult because they are working on, they may expert on the different technology, but this is a very new. So try understanding the technology. It will take some time. So immediately it is not possible. Maybe you have an idea, then you can fastly grab the this knowledge. That's the thing. So I will deliver what type of tools. So I will explain in the these classes: GitHub, Azure Repos, Git, as well as Maven, and after that Azure DevOps. So this is, see that this is a one endless process. This endless process, I am explaining the what are the selected tools for Azure DevOps. So every like one block having one tool, we they are using tools. So I choosing here Azure DevOps. So deploying Ansible chest, this is not using. I'm using Azure DevOps only, like that. So what is this Caesar? If you are asking also, I can't give total information because I give some information because your understand levels now beginner. So if I give a professional level, you can't understand and you may lose your confidence to learn this one. That's the thing. And this is a monitoring. So maybe you may know monitoring. So one dashboard will be there. There will be like a mission, I think, ECG. So there will be art functionality will monitoring. So, like that, we will check the monitoring that application insights. That's the thing. This is one of the architecture. Developer will be write the code in this one tool, and then they will. So maybe some people don't know even this is the thing. Visual Studio is there are this. So that's why I'm not giving much more. So we will create a CI/CD pipeline. Please stick for this one only. Don't stick for this one because you don't know anything. So we will create a pipelines in Azure DevOps. We will create a pipeline CI and CD, continuous integration, continuous deployment, and continuous delivery. Some tools will be used. So build, test, deploy, run purpose. So we will learn our requirement as per. So in the market, in IT, there is n number of tools will be there. So but we will use selected things. And we can if you are learn one thing, you can use second one also. Because if you are having a knowledge on driving like a car, you can work on any car. So you can drive any car. That's a simple fundamental, not much of there. So if you are a DevOps engineer, Azure or anything, you can work as any DevOps engineer. That's a simple thing. So some CI/CD tool, GitLab and Azure DevOps harness GitHub. So that's the thing. So not much of. So monitoring purpose. So tools. So this is a monitoring purpose. See, dashboard is there, metrics also giving it as a graph here. So these are the tools actually, project management. So some people need to like where is this? Some people need to know like they what is the track of your work. So they will track with boards task. So they will pending task. You need to change the status of that continuation. That is the Azure boards in the Azure DevOps. Yeah. Please ask your questions and any having queries related subject or anything, your career and things. I think can you you can unmute yourself, na? Yeah, Sudhakar, are you there now? So anybody, you have any doubts? You are pinged in chat. Huh? So no need to learn Java. So no need to learn Java. So when you're doing the project delivery, you can understand the that project related things. Thank you, Ashwini. Ashwin, I think. Sorry. Yeah, Vishnu, I think. You have any doubt, Vishnu, or questions to me?
No.
Yeah, you're good, na?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, DevOps is a under non-coding only. So we will use with the tools only, DevOps mostly. So if you are doing the automation, there is script we will say. Script means suppose some we need to create a one for user folder. So make directory maybe in basic levels. So we will perform the like some codes in the format of script, some block. So that's the thing. So I will explain in the continuation classes how you can learn in the during the job also. That's a not issue. And there is a ready-made Google course in the Google there is having. So how you can use that thing, how can you modify for yourself? That's the thing I will deliver for you. Is there anything? So I'm looking for 20 members actually. This group is maybe this time is maybe some people going to the job and all things. So this batch may be a 6:30 to 7:30 for early morning maybe. So and I will take some more demos for all, and I if you reach 20 peoples, I will start the things.